It's not just about helping contractors get better, but it's about looking out to the next generation. And how do we meet the challenges of really one of the most difficult problems we have in the industry, which was, I think the statistic was 54% of people retiring in the next 20 years, and the demands for people in our industry are growing leaps and bounds.
Going up, yep.
And how do we bridge that challenge? And it's an issue that contractors, for their own well-being, need to look at and say, how do I get involved? One of the ways to do that is to support the foundation, even just through their memberships, because a portion of that membership is going to support the work of the foundation, changing the marketing image, letting people know, the parents know this is an honorable industry. It's an important industry. You think about, what are the industries that rely on refrigeration and cooling? Hospitals, grocery stores, everything.